Got it? Got it?
Yeah, I figured.
Here, let's pick a better one. That one's better, I think. You are so cute. I want to feed Gizmo too. Which one are you, the boy or the girl?
Which means it's going to be a fruit eater in the wild, and the
all of you.
ring-tailed is more of a leaf eater, a browser. So their diets are a little bit different, but one of the things we've done here is because of the fruits.
Ooh.
Well, that was lovely. Here, they're feeders. Good for them as well as obviously fun for you guys.
Sure.
So you know they enjoy the touching and the playing and all of that stuff. Not all the animals we have here are super, you know, kind of driven to be reinforced with what's called tactile reinforcement.
All of a sudden they decide that they're ready to be weaned. They wean themselves. It's like you feed them the bottle in the morning and when they're feeding, it's like they've forgotten how to suck on the bottle. And they start chewing on it and they're like, okay, we're ready for solid food now. So these guys
I'm gonna get you. Oh no, I'm not gonna get you.
Sorry, I forgot what day it was. Tomorrow we have a newspaper wanted to do an article. No. Rompy.
They both run off together.
We're not sure if it's a behavioral thing or if maybe she's got an injury that's bothering her.
Is it the one that was making a lot of noise?
The one that kind of like turned around really quickly when you were petting her.
Yeah.
That one.
Somehow the ice keeps getting back in the
Magic.
Look what make the parents do.
Table where the never-ending bowl of food of soup
Come here. Come here.
keeps filling up.
What's in your mouth? Big grass? Big grass? Oh, man. There you go.
Oh.
There you go. You want more? There you go.
Yeah, you guys are pretty good.
You guys are super cute. Yeah. Want to get the ice to other people?
She's still got this little blade of plastic glass.
All of a sudden she sees the camera.
Whoa!
I think there's like a little bit of a reflection.
Oh.
Did you see her? She's like,
That's an otter I've never
that
seen before.
right there, because she really wants to be touching the ice, but now something over here has got her attention, but she's still touching the ice. Very well on the ground.
If you'd like to, you could walk up under her and get your picture taken.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna be really close, just because
She's got an itch.
we've got to watch the pointy end.
Yeah.
So I'll hover.
It's like Edward Scissorhands scratching his face.
I know.
Oh, man.
So the reason why he is able to store fat is because he is a desert animal. And usually with desert animals, they have that capability because they don't always have food available to them. So they want to be able to, when they do have food available to them.
Hi.
Alright, who has not? And
Wait, is this one the same as that small one that we saw?
no.
No, she is a six-banded.
Oh,
anybody
six.
else?
Oh.
Yeah, he gets banana wasted.
He looks like
Here,
it.
you guys are out. You need more. He eats faster than this one.
That one takes his time.
Let me take a picture behind it.
You guys want some more?
I have some.
How about you guys?
I got all kinds of pictures. Sounds cute. So this one's the younger one?
Yep. You know, and sometimes he's like,
You try.
Hi. Hi. There you go.
he spits them out in his hand.
He's just like, absolutely. Zip left over there. Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, here's some more.
Videos where they're just running around flexing.
Oh, I know. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Aliens. I mean, it's just nuts.
This spot
Jeffrey is very toy motivated. Yeah, we're talking about how some animals are food motivated. He is toy motivated. Hi, he loves all the toys. Can you get that ball in the wall? Yep. If there's something inside of something, they have to get it. Oh. Hi. Oh, I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love.
Is there a ball in the wall?
So I just put there's just a couple of balls in there. And he's basically just trying to get the ball out of the way. Which one's this one? And he will succeed. They're pretty good at it. This is a fun game that I would like to do.
Jeffrey does love people.
Yeah, and toys.
So take it away from him.
You see that? Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Here's another one here. You got all the toys! Oh, I got somebody's leg. Sorry about that. Got it. There's something new in there.
I gotta be like the consistency. I like the way it
Yeah.
feels in the teeth.
Oh yeah. Anything rubbery, like what, like. And I think it's nice for when you don't have you bring your flip flops in here.
Oh, sure. You'll lose it.
Yeah.
You'll
Well, and I think they like this one because it stands up to them, and so it takes them a little while to like actually destroy it. What did you find?
Out of time right now.
We'll pass the chicken. We'll pass the chicken.
Yeah.
Woo! I'm guessing that might have been the case. When he was a puppy. Maybe he just really wants the chicken and the boys don't really disturb him too much with the chicken. Oh! Hi! Don't come back.
Later, buddy.
The noise doesn't get out. It's totally alright. Why we will not have you hold it. Right. When he decides he doesn't want snuggles anymore, it tells you to go down! Go down! Like a cat.
Oh, just next week.
Yeah, because we're going to be going to the conference, and
Right.
Kevin will be replacing the liner, which is, we're taking it to the very end.
I guess.
It's hard to keep the pool like crystal clear, but with the faded liner, it looks even worse.
Oh, yeah.
Sure. I thought it was funny. The kids yesterday were like, "It's like a swamp." I'm like, "It's
Okay.
not that."
It is chlorinated. Kevin does check the chemical levels, but with all
And if you put your
the
hand under here, you can see your hand.
that's like the biggest
Going to your
battle
sister?
is, we do 3 programs in a row, 3 days in a row,